case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The case of United States v. Steele, argued in the United States Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit in 1972, dealt with the question of whether or not a person could be penalized for expressing constitutionally protected ideas. The case opened up a larger discussion on if a defendant could avoid conviction if they could substantiate a charge of discriminatory prosecution. The protagonist of this legal drama was the appellant, Steele, who was initially convicted for refusing to answer the questions on a Department of Commerce census form. Steele maintained that responding to these queries would have forced him to incriminate himself, and further, that he had been marked for prosecution due to his vocal stand against census requirements. Steele also accused the census authorities of an arbitrary and unfair selection process when choosing individuals for prosecution, effectively trampling on the rights of those exercising their First Amendment rights. The court carried out an extensive review of Steele's allegations of self-incrimination, discriminatory prosecution, and the repercussions of voicing constitutionally protected ideas. In the end, they ruled in Steele's favor and overturned his conviction. It was clear to them that Steele had indeed been singled out for prosecution because of his public stand against the census requirements. The ruling hinged on Steele's valid claim to the Fifth Amendment and clear evidence of discriminatory prosecution. The court established that the government had failed to provide a reasonable explanation for its selection process, thereby necessitating Steele's acquittal. Not only was this a victory for Steele, but it also underscored the importance of the Fifth Amendment and the protection it offers against discriminatory federal prosecution.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.